Aloha.
Welcome to
Welcome to Kahumana Farms.
So total, it's about 25 acres that we're farming on. The other parcel is 16 acres, and we're actively growing out new fields there. Pulling scrub trees, pulling rocks, tilling up new fields, installing orchards. So it's a really fun project.
It's cool.
Yeah, you can feel it. So this is actually what they make tapioca pudding out of. This is what tapioca comes from. It also can be used in a million other ways that are super delicious.
What's it called again, Will?
Sapodilla. Can you say sapodilla?
Sapodilla.
One more time.
This is called a long squash.
Squishy. It's just the way it is.
Because
Some plants are hard, some are soft.
Because when you step on it, it'll break.
Yeah, but we don't want to step on it. We want to eat it. Oh, this is one of my favorites. Chop some of these open.
Is it sweet?
It's sweet and sour.
Well, do you like Little Koi?
I think.
You want to try Little Koi? Okay, come on.
In Hawaii, we grow over 50 types of bananas. So this is a wonderful apple banana, super sweet, super delicious, one of my favorites. Aquaponic setup. The whole premise here is that we feed the fish, they go to the bathroom, full of nitrogen, which is like a farmer's gold. That's our bank account. We pump that water up and gravity feed it through our beds. The plants are cleaning out that water, so we then have clean water to give back to them.
What is it called again?
Fish food.
This is called fish poop, and it's really disgusting.
So they buried it in the earth, and from that grew the kalo plant. Their second child was man, and so man takes care of his older brother, the kalo plant, and the kalo plant takes care of him. So it's kind of this beautiful story showing our kinship with nature and that mutual responsibility for us to take care of Earth the same way the Earth takes care of us.
Sometimes they could flap their wings and not fly, but I'm really scared about their beaks. I feel like
Okay, Will.
and then one was just got hold on.
I was gonna get one for you to pet, but they're not into it right now.
Okay. Well, you like the chickens?
Yeah, sort of.
Okay.
Come check on these plants.
This is a sour sauce.
Different kind of
This is a
lime.
sour
So we're gonna pomelo.
This is a pomelo. I don't know if it's yummy or not.
What's it related to, Cleo?
It's related to an orange called dirt.
And I don't think we got any starting up yet. I think that
One more time.
And this
Oh no, we got a
is
couple beads. We
dirt.
got one little bead over there.
And it could like squish and then
You can actually, people use clay to make all types of arts and crafts.
but this time this dirt stays together.
Yeah, so this dirt has a lot of clay in it. So the clay that you play with is also comes from the earth too. Yeah. You want to come meet some of my friends, Cleo? What are those? The little red ones.
A ladybug.
Ladybugs. So ladybugs are some of our best friends. I was really.
This is a body chain. It is.
How old is it? 30 years old.
It's 30 years old.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
The end.
The end, but
One more time.
bye bye. The end, but link on the arrow so you can get some more videos on the comment below.
Okay.
Make sure to subscribe on the arrow.
Okay.
And this is what we got.
Okay.
And this is a tree and the bug is somewhere else.
What's it called, Quail? This is the...
What's it called? This is called the tree of light. Because it's light.
Okay. Okay.
Bye-bye. See you next time. The end.